Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Remax Experts, Zonardo Associates. Just a real quick update on the market. Current inventory, we're at 10,368 units and 1,170 selling. And if we get to last week's sales, again, I'm old school, so everything's written here. 10,536 units were on the market last week and 10,018 units sold. Sold just a little bit less inventory, a little bit more sales, which obviously it's in a better direction for our sellers where they're going to net more money. We did do a few deals. And we're sitting tight right now. We got a few more offers that came in on properties over the weekend. And what we're finding now is even with different areas is just a multiple offer situation in a lot of the properties. Mike submitted an offer yesterday for clients of ours, and there was 30 offers on a property in Sonoma Heights, which is quite crazy. So remember what we're saying is that rates are going to start lowering right before a federal election. It looks like they're already starting to go. This is actually a good sign too. If you're changing U.S. dollars, we're starting to go down the right direction. Hopefully this gets down to 125 by July. Inflation, obviously we know it's 5.2%, but look at these rates now. So these are, there's going to be conditions through them. I would take them with a grain of salt. I don't know the terms of them, but these are what the posted rates are here on ratehub.ca. So RBC's at 5.04%, and then TDs were my benchmark because I do all my banking with them is at 5.14%. So they've bought down their rate. Remember, I always mentioned they buy down the rate. So their posted rate right here for a 5-year close is 5.54%. And then if you look at their posted rate here, it's basically they bought it down by 40 basis points. But again, there's other different terms and like we don't know what the mortgage entails, but ultimately that is the rate. So, so they want more information. And this is the thing. So they're teetering into the prior to a federal election. You're going to see this keep going down. Hopefully, high 3s, low 4s by the end of this year into the new year, and that'll basically fuel everything back up, and we'll be back into the swing of things. But ultimately, right now, it's really hot. We can't keep a property down. We're getting showings. One of our larger listings that we had 3 offers at a really decent amount. One fell through, the other one a deposit didn't come through, and the other one the client didn't accept. Same price. But ultimately, that one there had 3 showings on Sunday, and then another one on Saturday, and that's listed at $3.8 million. So definitely some movement in the market. That's pretty much it. Florida business also doing well here. We just hired a full-time executive assistant, so Mary's going to come on board, and she's going to, basically head up the Florida division here and be Steve 2.0 basically going forward. So that's pretty cool. Excited about that. That's pretty much it. Guys, have any questions regarding real estate in Toronto, give me a call direct, 647-962-4372.